In this video, I'm going to show you how we can add smooth scroll grow effect on our GoHighLevel page element. Okay, so here in this page, you can see after this trust page, I have a video, and once I scroll down a bit, then the video actually expand and make it bigger. Okay, and again, if I scroll up, then the video actually get its original position. Okay, so let me show you how we can add this on our GoHighLevel page. Okay, so first of all, you need to log into your GHL Code Snippets library, and then go to the Snippets tab from the left navigation, and then you will see smooth scroll grow effect inside the animation category. Okay, so here this is the code snippet, so just click the get code button, and then all you just need to add your element css id and the amount you want to scale. Okay, your max scale amount. Okay, so 1.25 here is actually for the let me put it here, 1.25. Okay, so 1.25 means 125% scale. Okay, so let me put it back here. Okay, yeah, here is it. So now I'm also going to put the css id of the element that I want to scale. Okay, so here this is the video that I am going to use, and then just select the video or any element you want to give this animation, and then go to the advanced tab, and from here just copy this css id. Okay, copy the css id, and then go back to your GHL Code Snippets library and put the css id. Okay, just add this css id here, delete the previous one. Okay, here is it, and then delete this pound sign. Okay, this is must have. Okay, you should not add this pound sign. Okay, because our code snippets automatically replace this pound sign. Okay, so you don't need to add this. Okay, and once done, then all you just need to select the domain where you want to implement this code snippets. Okay, this is very important to have the domain. Okay, otherwise it will not work. So if you don't have domain, then just go to the domain tab from the left navigation, and then add your domain, and after that you will see the option here into the drop down to select your domain. Okay, so in this case I'm going to select GHL SaasKits.com as my domain, because I'm going to install this script there. Okay, so now just copy the snippets. Okay, and then go back to your page builder and add the custom HTML and JavaScript element option. Okay, like this one. Okay, and then open the editor, and let me delete the previous code. Okay, with it, and then let me paste it here. Okay, so now save it and then publish. Okay, so if you preview the page by clicking this small preview icon, then this code will not work, because this code only works on the domain that you just selected here. Okay, so make sure that you check the page, okay, by going to the domain. Okay, just click here and then see if this is working. Okay, so now let me scroll up. Yeah, it's perfectly working. Okay, so one more small tips here. So as the element actually grow when you scroll your page, so you need to adjust the uh, margin of your other elements. Like after this video I have the button element, so I need to adjust the margin top. Okay, so just select the element. Okay, and then from here you can see I just added 80 pixel margin top. Okay, so for the desktop, and for the mobile, okay, I just added 10 pixel. Okay, so you need to make sure that this is already added, okay, because otherwise this animation will overlap your content. So you need to make sure that you add the proper margin top or margin bottom, whatever you need. Okay, so after that you are good to go. So let me publish the page again and see how it actually works. Okay, and both will check both the mobile and desktop version. Okay, so here into the desktop it's working just fine, and let me check into the mobile version. I can see the mobile version is also looks good. Okay, so this is how you can add this smooth scroll grow effect on any element of your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.